Today, I'm going to show you how to easily validate your kits and container contents throughout your warehouse or during your production facilities. First off, I'm going to pick up Visium Mobile on a handheld RFID reader, head to the operation screen, head to the container audit screen, and just scan the contents of my container box. The system immediately tells us that we have audited 2 out of the 3 contents of my container, that 1 is remaining that is already tagged, and that 1 is unexpected. By clicking, I see that the mouse is the unexpected item within my box. I'm going to remove it, but I have no clue where the remaining tagged item is. For that to be resolved, I can easily click the locate operation and start performing the locate operation. Visium Mobile guides me towards the direction and the location of the missing item, and as soon as I have found it, I can easily just position it back in the container box, head back to the container audit screen, and just repeat the audit process. As the container audit is complete, we can easily see that there is 3 out of 3 items audited within my container, and that information is immediately also sent to Visium on the cloud, which can then show you that information in the reports. Thank you.